Okay, hello, how are you guys? And assalamu alaikum. Hope you will be fine and all will be in best mood of life. Today, our class is basically about computer virtualization. We will first start from the theoretical concept of virtualization, computer virtualization, and then we will take some example, practical example, that how virtualization is implemented in practicals. First, guys, virtualization in computing or in computer science basically is the creation of virtual version. Virtual means that not exist, actually exist. We can say some virtual machine. We create some virtual machine in computer. Virtual machine means it may be a hardware or it may be a software. For example, you can take example of hardware is hard drive. We can take example of network resources like bridges, routers, etc. And as in other end, we can take example of software as operating systems, different system applications, system softwares, and etc. So again, virtualization in computer means the creation of virtual version of something, including some hardware or some operating system or some storage devices, etc. So in computing, virtualization means to create a virtual version of a device, a resource, such as server, storage, device, network, or operating system, where the framework divides the resources. Don't be confused. Framework here means the software. You can take the framework as a software. The software divides the resources into one or more execution environment. Now I can take example. Let's consider I have a hard drive. Okay, so you can take this is a hard drive. We normally divide the hard drive into different partitions. We create a partitions in our hard drive, on hard drive like C, D, and E, etc. So that partition are basically virtual partitions. They does not exist physically. So I divide this hard drive into different parts. Or I can say in daily life, we can say the example of I make a building, then I make some streets within a building, some rooms within buildings. So that are physicals, but here I make some rooms, some partitions that are not physically exist. Means the hard drive are physically exist, but I do not create partition physically. I do not break the hard drive in different parts. I just only create a partition that are virtually. I create a rooms, streets, and the hard drive that are virtually, not physically. So these are the example of virtualization. Okay, so as I told you about software framework which are used to create virtual machine. Now let discuss that how we can create virtual machine with software frameworks. There are a lot of software which are used in market for this purpose to create virtual machines. For example, you can say VMware, Oracle Vim, VirtualBox, VM Workstation. Some of these are free and some of are not free, means which will cost you. So let see what are different kinds of virtual machine are used for virtualization. So let's take a look. So let's discuss different kind of software that, as I told you, that is used for computer virtualization. Different kind of virtual machine software are used in the market, like VMware Player. It is a free software. Oracle VM VirtualBox, and we will use this software as a practical lab. VMware Workstation, this is not a free, it will cost. Parallels, these are also a kind of virtual machine software. VMware Fusions, and there are a lot of more software which are used for virtual machine as a virtual machine software. Okay, as I told you that we will use VirtualBox in our practical lab. So first let's start from VirtualBox. What is VirtualBox? VirtualBox is a virtual machine software which is a powerful product of Sun Microsystem, which is used for enterprise as well as for home editions. Not only is VirtualBox an extremely high performance product for enterprise customers, but its another feature is it is also the only professional solution that is freely available as open source software under the term GNU General Public License, GPL. Now you will confuse it, what is GPL? So GPL is basically short for General Public License. The software under this license means open source software that details how the software and its source code can be freely copied, distributed and modified. Means the software under GPL, you can use the software as an open source to modify its code, to make a copy of its code. You can edit the source code. Even you can make another version of that software which is developed under GPL license. We can take an example of just like Linux, which have a lot of flavors because it is open source software. So the most widespread use of GPL is in reference to the GNU GPL, but we are not going to in detail about it. We can simply say that a GPL is referred to as a copyleft. One is copyright and another is copyleft. Copyleft that we discussed, the software under GPL is copyleft, and copyright basically identifies the proprietary rights, we can say the proprietary rights of materials, which is the right of some companies. You cannot edit its code, you cannot copy its code, so that is copyright. So simply these are about some information about GPL. So this is the end of our first lecture about computer virtualization, and inshallah in the next class we will discuss the installation of Oracle VM VirtualBox and how it's work. So for that time, see you. Allah Hafiz.